we divide 543 by 2 in a long division method. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 4 and it is 14. 2 times 7 is 14. On subtracting, we get 0. So now we put down this 3 and 2 times 1 is 2. On subtracting, we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting, we get 0. So 543 divided by 2 is 271.5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.